In this section, we're going to break down the three functional zones of a Maxim 3D lens and show how each contributes to comfort, stability, and optical performance. Understanding the role of each zone is key to making precise, effective adjustments when a fit isn't ideal. Maxim 3D is built around a four-zone customizable design, but when evaluating fit, we group it into three key areas: central vault, limbal vault, and the landing zone. First is the central vault. This zone defines how much clearance you have over the cornea. Our goal is post-settling central clearance of approximately 150 to 200 microns. That's enough to avoid touch while preserving oxygen flow and minimizing fogging. Too much sag? You risk lift, debris buildup, and compromised optics. Too little, and you'll see corneal bearing and potential staining. The majority of settling happens in the first few hours. That's why we reassess clearance not just at initial application, but again after the lens has been on the eye for several hours. When in doubt, start a bit flatter. You can always increase sagittal depth in controlled steps of 25 to 50 microns. Next is the limbal vault. Maxim 3D gives you full control over limbal geometry, which means you can dial in this zone precisely, but it also means you need to evaluate it critically. We target around 50 microns of clearance over the limbal region. That's just enough to protect the stem cells while avoiding excessive pooling or edge lift. Limbal evaluation should be done across all quadrants. Look for touch, bubbles, or any signs of localized lift. Fogging that starts early in the day is often a limbal issue, not central. If you're seeing inconsistencies here, consider modifying the quad-specific vault or adjusting the lens diameter relative to the patient's HVID. Now let's talk about the landing zone. This is where the lens makes its final connection with the ocular surface and where most stability issues originate. The landing zone must align evenly with the sclera. You're looking for smooth, even contact. No blanching, no edge lift, no localized compression. If the lens rotates, shifts position, or moves excessively with blink, assess the scleral alignment closely. Use the slit lamp to evaluate all meridians, not just one view. Maxim 3D supports full toric periphery, quadrant-specific landing, and freeform profiles, giving you total control over how the lens interacts with each sector of the sclera. If the landing is right, the lens will hold steady, center properly, and wear comfortably throughout the day. To wrap up, when evaluating a Maxim 3D fit, focus on these three questions. Is the central vault within range? Is the limbal clearance adequate and even? Is the landing zone properly aligned across all quadrants? If 2 out of 3 are on target, start with small adjustments to the third. You don't need a full redesign, just fine-tune the zone that's off. This approach is what makes the Maxim 3D system so powerful. It's flexible, responsive, and designed to give you control, one fitting zone at a time.